This one I've called My Gardening Life. I wander through my garden where I've toiled for many hours. It's been a labour of love, one of many gardens I've created, but this one is my last. For the years have slipped by until now, when my true gardening days have deserted me. The days when I worked for hours, my hands in the soil, feeling the joy, the peace in the moment are no longer possible, for my body says no, again and again. My arms not as strong, I find muscles that ache, leaving me sore. Yet still I try, a little bit here and a little bit there. I'll pull a weed, I'll pick a flower. I'm grateful for these moments. I'm grateful for the birds that now come into my life, thanks to my garden I've created with my love, with love in my heart, always. It's winter time here, branches are bare, the leaves have let go, carpeting the soil, becoming the soil, surrendering to the cycle of life. And I'm thinking to myself as I do, maybe this stage in my life is my winter time, slowing down, energies beginning to slow, a stillness as I learn to let go, just as the leaves have let go. I am in a different place, a quiet place, accepting a future, one that is uncertain, a journey that we must all take. I'm wending my way to the end of this road, back to the earth, the cycle of life once again. Yeah, we're all on this journey, aren't we? Take care, have a good day, good night, wherever you are. Love you all. Bye.